I'm shot! I'm shot! Come here! Come here! Come here! You see what happened or what?
What can I help you with?
Okay, tighten that lamp. Yeah. Hold on, stop. I messed up.
My name is...
That guy down there?
Yeah, she's down. My wife has got a gun. She's seen...
Ambush!
My wife has got a gun. She's get my other person! Get my gun!
Hey, no! Don't get your gun out! Do not get your gun out right now!
Don't! Sorry.
Tighten it. Lock it in.
No, he's shot.
Hands up!
Oh, who was that? Was that Ty?
How are you found here?
They said at I-76 in Harlan. On my way, David 27. David 27, I'm on scene. David 27, I gotta stop the guy on the ground.
You got one citizen.
I got a citizen pointing a gun at him.
Hey,
put the gun away.
Hey, are you a cop or what?
Go for it.
No, give me a check.
I got it.
What's your problem?
I got it.
Are you done bleeding? You good?
Stand back.
Get him in cuffs.
Okay. I got him.
Get him in cuffs.
Cover me.
Gotcha.
He's in custody. David 27, I got one in custody.
This is my holster. What do you need? Check. You need to check.
Okay, let me see.
Check.
I got him.
Get my uniform off.
I got him.
Piece of shit.
David 27, I'm checking him out.
Make sure nobody else is hit, guys.
Let me see.
Okay, let's get my...
Let me get your vest off.
Alright.
Hold on.
Check me real quick. Get this up. Check me real quick.
27, I'm checking him out.
Just look. I've got just look at this armpit. Check this armpit.
You're good. You got a shot of there.
Hey, let's go.
You're good, bud.
You're good. Somebody go.
Where you shot at? Yeah, I'll take it.
Let's sit here.
Let's go. You guys go flip around. Go flip around.
You want me to take your hospital?
Yeah, take the hospital. Yeah.
I'm also unsure the captain will advise we're going to need the search team call up. Yeah, we actually was going to call him for getting captain was it? Yeah, I was trying to get home now.
Thank you, AC. Go.
Parts of the captain.
Crash.
We're at the just one full seat now. We'll get that stuff.
Never help? Never help? What? Never help? Never help. Gotcha. Thank you, AC, please. Gotcha. Number 127. I got our 23 on board. I'm en route to Denver Health.